They were expected to be bold and decisive in battle. They were in charge to represent their interests. He was in charge of navigating and the sailing of the ship. He was in charge of maintenance and repair of the wooden hull. He was responsible for the ship's gun and ammunition. They became rich by capturing Spanish vessels in the Caribbean. They began targeting the Spanish. He was a privateer, licensed to attack Spanish shipping, captured a Spanish vessel loaded with treasure. 8 years later, Drake helped defeat the Spanish Armada. He was one of many buccaneers across state-sponsored privateers. Is believed to have begun raiding Spanish ships and coastal settlements. Though there have been many more successful pirates, Blackbeard is one of the best known and widely feared of this time. He commanded 4 ships and had a pirate army of 300 at the height of his career, and defeated the famous warship HMS Scarborough in sea battle. He was known for barreling into battle clutching 2 swords, with several knives and pistols at the ready. He captured over 40 mentioned ships in the Caribbean, and without affliction killed many prisoners. Though he had many unofficial wives, he was officially married to a 16-year-old girl, whom legend has it he offered as a gift to his crew after she tried to reform him. After a fierce battle in which he made a stand with candle smoke rising from his bed, he was overtaken by the Royal Navy and beheaded. His head was then raised upon a stake as a warning to other pirates near Virginia's Hampton River.